Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to give you a little update on the drywalling progress. As you can see, I have the upper sheet of drywall. This is a 9-foot ceiling, so there's gaps down at the bottom. That'll all get filled in shortly. I have the hall side of this one done, and I'm waiting on this at the inside to get the bulkhead done here. I need to drill through here and then come out here and get my wiring up into here. I have that light that I showed you in the last video that's going up in here. So I got to get that light switch in here. I got to get an electrical box down here. And I got to get that done before I put this sheet in right here. So that's what I'll be doing shortly. I still need to get these done. I had a limited amount of drywall. I had 4 sheets left over and I have to go get some more, so I'm piecing it together where I need it. This will go up here and I need the framing for that, and I am not doing framing today, so that part will have to wait. I'm going to try to get some wiring and other stuff done today. You can't see it from this side, but the bottom part of this meets into the register area and is notched. I'm going to be getting that top piece in today, which requires that will require some scaffolding in this area to get up there, so easier said than done. Then got the mini split mounted, and that'll have to come on and off a couple times before it's done. But you can see the refrigerant lines right here. I have to slowly bend those down and get them going through here. And this is the drain. The drain has to stay on the bottom and it has to be pitched continuously, and it goes perfect where I want it right here. So now I just need to cut a PVC tube that'll come across through this hole, and then I need it to go straight down. So this also has the refrigerant lines coming through it. So the refrigerant lines are very important, so I got to make sure I got plenty of room to get them through there. But what I'm going to do is take, this is 3.5 inches. There will be a board running down at an angle. I'll cut this out with a Sawzall. As I said in a previous video, this is non-load bearing. Nothing is structural here. So I'll just hack out a hole right here. So there'll be a wooden ramp running up through there, so that if I need to do any work on this, the refrigerant lines should slide in and out a bit. I'll put a loop right here, kind of a bigger loop, so that when I pull the mini split, let's show you that, the hole for the lines is right back here. I will pull this out and set it on the top of a 8-foot ladder right here, make the connections, bolt them up, and then slide it back in. This just hooks onto a big bracket in there. So I got my drywall done here. There's a couple lights that will shine into that area I was just in. those go through the drywall up here, and I gotta drill some holes. Those get wired, and there's already holes drilled right here. So those will come through here, and there'll be a light switch here. So I got the refrigerant lines going down on the top. The water line will come down and then pitch again and go down through that hole over there. The water lines need to come, or the drain line needs to come down lower, because this sub panel will be right here, and I don't want water going above the sub panel. This is the self-bonding silicone wrap, this repair tape. This is by Gardner Bender. This is what will connect this tube to the PVC pipe. The PVC pipe will be permanently mounted, the drain. So this will remain open for a good while. This will remain open for a good while. And I will be getting the wiring done today, and as far as I can get on the drywall until I run out. I have that and a few more sheets. So I have the cutouts for the doors. I put full sheets in, going all the way down, and then I planned, there's the cutouts right here that'll go into that hall opening. So that is about it. I should make some fairly good progress today, but as was the case last time, I got a ton of business, paying the bills kind of business to get done, so that takes precedence. So I'm going to try to do this in between, and hopefully I'll have this done soon, so I'll have time to get to the other stuff in the shed. I got a ton of projects over there. Some of that includes drywalling too, but I'm going to be hooking up my compressor and a ton of stuff, running water lines. Like I said, drywall. I'm going to be adding steel pegboard shelf to the backs of them rolling shelves, working on the tractors, yada yada yada. And I actually have to do some seeding. That'll probably happen within a couple days. So make sure you stop back and see all that stuff. The best way to do it is to subscribe to the channel, then click on the update icon so you receive notice when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.